Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete messages on Airbnb quickly and easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your device. Once the app is open, go to the bottom menu and tap on the Messages option, which is right next to your profile. Here you'll be able to see all your conversations. I don't have any message yet, so I can't see any message in here. Now, if you want to delete any message, look for the Edit button at the top right corner and tap on it. After tapping Edit, select the conversation that you want to delete. You'll now see options like Delete, Archive, or Save. Simply tap on Delete, and your selected message will be removed instantly. And that's it. That's how you can easily delete messages on Airbnb. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.